So now we are going to discuss question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk each other. Find the length of string of each phone. That means three students are children, three boys are sitting at point A, B and C. They are sitting equidistant to each other. That means distance between AB, BC and CD are equal. Here radius is given. Radius is, suppose BO, who is the center, BO or CO or AO is the radius, that is 20 meter. We have to find the distance between AB or AC or BC. So let's start it. So given is length of BO is 20 meter, length of CO is also 20 meter. It is given to us. We have to find the length of AB and AC. Okay. So let's move to a construction here. So join BO and CO. Join BO and CO. Now solution. Now triangle ABC, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Here AB equal to BC equal to AC. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Again triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle. As BO equal to CO equal to 20 meter, so that we can say OD. So OD is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so that we can say AOD is a straight line, or AOD is a straight line, or AOD will fall on a line. Now what we will see? You can see triangle BOC and triangle AOC and triangle AOB. Three triangles are there. Can these three triangles be congruent? You can write it here. Triangle BOC will be congruent to triangle AOB and will be congruent to triangle COA. Why? You can prove it. Between these triangles, you can see BO equal to AO equal to CO. All sides are equal. Similarly, here you have AB, BC and AC. So three triangles are congruent, and the region will be side. All the three sides of three triangles are equal. Okay. Therefore, their area will also be equal. Hence, area of triangle ABC equal to area BOC plus area COA plus area AOB implies area ABC. You know the formula for area ABC. ABC, it is the half into base into height. So 1 by 2 base is your BC. 1 by 2 base is BC into height is your AD equal to, here area of BOC, look at the figure, BOC is equal to area of COA and is equal to area AOB. Three triangle area will be equal as three are congruent. So you can write 3 into area of triangle BOC. Okay, implies 1 by 2 BC into AD is equal to area 3 into area BOC. Look at the figure. BOC will be equal to 1 by 2, base is BC into height OD. 1 by 2 BC into OD implies, now you can cancel this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, BC also you can cancel. So here what will remain? Remaining will be AD equal to 3 OD. So now you got AD equal to 3 OD implies, now what we can do? Look at the figure. AD, okay, AD length we don't know, but we length the length of AO, which is the radius. Now if you subtract OD from AD, look at the figure. If you subtract OD from this whole AD, you will get AO. Now that is what we are going to do. AD minus OD equal to 3 OD minus OD. As you have to subtract OD from LHS, that also you have to subtract OD from RHS also. Implies AD minus OD, look at the figure. AD minus OD is your AO. So AO equal to 3 OD minus OD, it will be 2 OD. Okay, so AO, who is AO? Look at the figure. Length of AO is 20 meter. This is the radius. So you can write implies AO is 20 meter equal to 2 OD. OD means this side. Now OD will be equal to, implies OD will be equal to 20 divided by 2. 20 by 2 equal to 10 meter. So who is OD? This is OD and this is 10 meter. Okay, so we got the value of OD. Now you can see there is an right angle triangle. This triangle BOD triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, now you can write in triangle BOD, you have BO square is equal to BD square plus OD square. BD square plus OD square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Implies this is your 20 square, that is BO is your 20, so 20 square equal to BD square. BD square plus OD, we know the value of OD. OD is 10 meter. 10 square implies 20 square. Here 10 square will be look at this, will bring this 10 square to LHS. So 20 square is your 400 minus 10 square is your 100 will be equal to BD square. Implies BD will be equal to root over of 400 minus 100 is your 300. So it will be equal to 10 root 3. So we got the length of BD. Look at it. This BD is 10 root 3. We want the length of BC. So I will write. Okay. Here we can write. So BC is equal to 2 into BD. Look, this length of BC is equal to 2 into BD. So BC will be equal to, which will be equal to 2 into BD. BD is your 10 root 3. So 2 into 10 root 3, which will be equal to 20 root 3. So we got the value of BC, which is 20 root 3. Now it is also known to us that length of AB, length of AC and length of BC all are equal and all are 20 root 3. So this is the solution for this question. Okay, so this is the end of this exercise. Thank you.